So friends, today in this video I'll be showing you how to make roblox in infinite craft. So guys, first of all we have to start with fire here and then water on top of it to create steam, and then we have to use fire again to create engine, and engine will create rocket. Rocket on rocket will create satellite. Then we have to use engine again and drag over the satellite to create rocket. So I just messed up. So we have created satellite successfully. Now we have to use engine again and use steam over engine to create train. Then you have to use rocket over train to create bullet train. Okay. After this you have to drag satellite over bullet train to create internet, and then we have to use just drag fire separately and wind over it to create smoke, and smoke on smoke will create cloud, and then we have to drag earth separately and just drag wind over earth to create dust. Fine. After this you have to drag water on dust to create mud, and then use fire on mud to create brick. Lovely. After this you have to combine brick with cloud to create castle, and castle with internet will create fortnite. Fine. After creating fortnite guys, we have to now make a roblox we have to use, or you have to make program. So now let's start from the beginning again. Water, use water and fire on water to create steam. Fine. And after this we have to use steam. We have created steam here, and now we have to use fire on steam to create engine, and an engine on steam will create train. And now you have to guys use dust and earth to create planet, and use fire on planet to create sun, and again use fire on sun to create solar, and planet with solar planet. So we have to use planet with solar. Okay, where is the planet? Yeah, planet with solar will create system. Now use fire on system will create computer, and computer, just drag computer system on computer will create software, and use now train over software to create program. Now this is the last step guys. You just need to combine program with fortnite to create roblox. That's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.